Hello friends, I hope you all are good, fine and shine. Today we unboxing a very cute ice cream set. You can see in the video, it's really amazing for the little kids, and I show you how to fix little ice cream cone and beautiful colorful umbrella. Let's start the video. It's moving very smoothly, nicely. Much pretty. You can see that. Let's fix first ice cream cone. Really yummy. Look at that, it's a pink one. You can see that it's a strawberry and it's umbrella. These are different kinds of ice cream cone and this is umbrella. Let's fix it on a top of ice cream machine, ice cream fridge, you can say anything. And this is strawberry flavor ice cream cone. It's really yummy. And this is another cone. It's yummy. 3 ice cream cone. We fix it. And there is small little ice cream. The last one, we fix it. Look at that yummy ice creams. Now we fix all the ice creams. Look. Now it's time to play some music. Here is the button. Let's play it. Wow, it's cute. It's a little cute one. I hope the kids like it very much. I like the ice cream too. Hey guys, you must write in the comments which ice cream you like the most. Hope you like my video and the little unboxing of ice cream set. Please like, share, subscribe and bye bye.